in solid ground. If my hands can touch the sky, if for sorrow